Oh, thank you for watching this video. This video is brought to you by newqbo.com. That's our QBO blog. We have great articles and free video tutorials to help you. So you want to subscribe to our YouTube channels. We have two channels: youtube.com/bpcontroller. The other one is youtube.com QuickBooks QBO. QuickBooks QBO. That's the one you are watching. Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about how to start a new project and then add existing estimate to customer project. Let's say you created an estimate and you haven't created a project, but you created a project now, and how to add those estimates. It could be it's never used or partially used or progress invoicing already done, but how to add to customer project. So that's the focus of this video. I'm going to go to QuickBooks Online now. Okay, so it's a dashboard. So all you have to do is from your dashboard go to sales in here, and then all sales, and then you just here's a money bar. It will say estimate. These are open estimates. These are the estimate. We have 4 estimates in here. Just click that one. Okay, so as you can see here, on James Smith you don't have the project linked. Same thing with Henry Jackson. So all you have to do is open this estimate, and then just select customer with project like this, and then save and close. Now you'll see project added here. Now your estimate is linked to this project. Same thing with Henry Jackson. Alright, I'm just going to select this and make sure you select the project one here and save and close. Unfortunately, you have to do this one at a time, and now you see project in here. So when you come back, we're ready to create invoice. You just create invoice from here. Dashboard, sales, click estimate. So you'll see all those. Just want to see open ones and just click it here. Now create invoice. Now it goes. So you can create the progressive invoicing or just everything in here. Remaining total line, this is 100%. Just add this like this and save and close. That's it. That's all you need to do. Now it's you have only 3 open estimates left. Anyway, this is kind of quick video, and hopefully this video is helpful to you, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channels. Thank you very much. Bye.